हेलो फ्रेंड्स,
हम त्रिची में पहुंच गए हैं, जहां पर 2 दिन हीरा की 13वीं नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस होने जा रही है और हम फाइनली यहां पर पहुंच चुके हैं।
We are having the delegates from Gujarat, then Haryana, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Odisha, Punjab, Puducherry, Telangana and Uttarakhand. So many delegates are there from these particular states. I don't know if the offline registrations are there from other states also. And the number of organizations to which the delegates belong to the DK, there is the KY, there is the Kerala Equality Sangam, Science for Society Uttarakhand, Rationalist Forum, Nastik Samajam, Manav Vikas Vedika, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, Humanist and Rationalist Organization Odisha, Akhil Bharatiya Andhashraddha Nirmal Samiti Maharashtra, Maharashtra Andhashraddha Nirmal Samiti, then the FIRA and the Tarkil Society Punjab, the Tarkil Society Registered, then Vikas Foundation, Phule Periyar Ambedkar Alochana Vedika, Rationalist Society Haryana, and Chandigarh Humanist Association. From the online data, I have collected the people who have furnished the information. Friends, the theme of this 13th National Conference is the endless journey towards a secular and scientific temperament society. As all of us know that we are celebrating the 100th year of.
Now, I request our panelists to present their papers. First, Advocate from Punjab, Dr. Harinder Lalli.
Jain San, to all the friends sitting on the dais and sitting off the dais. Exactly 2 years after we are together again. Before 2 years, we were together at Barnala in the 12th conference of HIRA, when I declared among you that I will go throughout the India on my scooter for making awareness regarding the scientific temperament as per Article 51AH of Indian Constitution. Moreover, physical and mental health and some more good messages were to be given. Many of you met us, take care of us, and make so many arrangements for us during our right citizens of India. My paper was some long, but due to stipulated time settled by the management, I am trying to cut short my paper. If anybody wants to read it as whole, you can ask me. I will send its soft copy to you by WhatsApp or through email. Recent amendments in criminal laws in India have raised concern about the potential suppression of activities by rationalists, activists, and citizens. I am quoting some key amendments that
Can affect
this. Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, any UAPA, the definition of terrorist and unlawful activities and provision for preventing detention enables authority to hold individuals without formally charging them, which can be used to silence dissent. Provisions aimed to curbing fake news and misinformation can be misused to target activists and rationalists who challenge the dominant narratives or question established beliefs online. Sedition law, which was Section 124A of IPC, now Section 152 of BNS, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Provisions of hate speech, old Section 153A of IPC, new Section of 196 of BNS. Moreover, Section 295A of Indian Penal Code, now converted into Section 299 in BNS. This is more important for all of us. This section penalized deliberate and malicious acts intended to outrage religious feelings. Rationalists advocating for scientific thought or critiquing religious superstitions may be charged under this vague provision. There are so many cases from Patiala in Punjab, Sarvit Ukhla, from Jangrao in district Ludhiana in Punjab, Surjit Dodar, and from district Mansa in Punjab, Upinder Pikhi. They are charged under section 299 for writing a research book or some posting on the Facebook or social handles which quotes some scientific wordings. But due to the vague provision of section 299 of BNS, they are booked under this case and under this section, under this law. So, however, there is an exception that there should be a intention to outrage the religious feeling of other people. But it will take very much time, long time to reach the court on a decision about our detention. On the other hand, authorities, police, other political parties, and some communal elements can harass us, can send us behind bars under this section. We should be careful from this. Changes following the longer remand periods can lead to delays in judicial process, keeping rationalists in custody for extended time without trial. Before the new act, it was up to 15 days. Now, it has been made up to 60 to 90 days. Amendments relating to public order allows for arrest based on mere accusation of inciting unrest, targeting those who challenge the societal norms. Some amendments have reduced judicial oversight over the arrest and detention, making it easier for the police to act without accountability. The definition of unlawful activities under UAPA is broad and can be encompass various forms of dissent. Police can interrupt any critical speech or action against the government or societal norms as a threat to national security. So, these amendments create a legal environment where rationalists, activists, and citizens may feel pressured to self-censor or avoid engaging critical discourse. Moreover, the new criminal laws in India have had several negative impacts on the promotion of scientific temperament and rational discourse. Here are some more key concerns. Suppression of free expression, chilling effect, targeting dissent, marginalized rational discourse, detention without trial, limited educational initiatives, erosion of public trust, impact on research and innovation. These negative impacts can significantly hinder efforts to cultivate a culture of scientific inquiry and rational thought in India. Besides above problems, the police can misuse new criminal laws against rationalists' activities in several ways, like arbitrary arrest, exploiting prevention detention, targeting speech and expression, fabricating evidence, intimidation and harassment, bias and discrimination, lengthy investigation. These misuse tactics can significantly hinder the promotion of scientific thought and rational discourse. In summary, in the last, impact on rationalists. New laws may restrict the ability of rationalists to express dissenting opinions, particularly regarding religious beliefs or superstitions. Increased scrutiny and potential legal repercussions for campaign against the superstitions and pseudoscience can stifle rational discourse. Conversely, some laws may strengthen protection against the hate speech and incitement, supporting rationalists advocating for secularism. We should learn such laws thoroughly. Next, impact on activists. New laws might criminalize certain forms of protest, making it riskier for activists to organize and express dissent. The implementation of laws that allows for greater surveillance can lead to a chilling effect on activism. New laws may improve access to justice for marginalized communities, providing legal avenues for addressing grievances. The laws can impact public discourse, potentially stifling conversations about important social issues if activists and rationalists face legal challenges. Conclusion. Impact of new criminal laws on rationalists, activists, and citizens in India is complex and multifaceted. While some provision may offer enhanced protection, others pose risks to freedom of expression and dissent. Continuous engagement and advocacy are essential to ensure that these laws serve to protect rather than restrict fundamental rights. In last, beside my topic, I want to say only two things. Be mentally and physically fit. Be mentally and physically fit so that you can be a matured personality and you can build a strong nation of scientific temperament. Dr. Harinder Lali, advocate, is thanking to listen carefully all of you. Jai Insan.
Thank you, Dr. Harinder Lali.
Mr. Venugopal from Tamilnadu.
The dais, Advocate Harinder Lali from Punjab and Dr. Rajaram Handiya, they travel all the long distance from Punjab Sunam to Trichurapalli on the motorcycle. So they are the world recordists. Last year also they took the ride throughout the India, Nepal and Bhutan. And this year also they attending this particular conference on the motorcycle only. So congratulations to both of them. This rally is for the development of the scientific temper.